Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply see everyone in GoToMeeting. So there are actually two ways how you can do it. Like, I don't know for what reason you need this video. The first way is when you're gonna click here view who's talking, and you can click here everyone. So you're gonna see like literally everyone. If you're gonna click who's talking, you're gonna see only the person who's talking, right? Or you can hide everyone. So this is the first way. Or you can just click people and just find everyone here, and then just like mute everybody and stuff like that. So thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some guidance and stuff like that. And yeah, so again, you just click view everyone, and yep, have a great day and goodbye.